Air pollution affects the health and environment of millions of people worldwide.
I take precautions to reduce pollution.
Reduce pollution by using renewable energy sources. Preventing pollution is important in preserving the planet's air quality. Our planet is corrupted by dust. Lobsters are in a dirty sea?
Lake isn't blue, trees aren't green, sky isn't blue with white clouds. UNESCO monuments are destroyed. Trees can help to improve the air we breathe.
Invisible toxins infest the air. Industrial hands stain the earth.
Opinions, students, are important to promoting discussion in your class. Nature needs clean air, clean water, and clean soil. Nature needs clean air, clean water, and clean soil.